Magandang araw! Let me share my screen to introduce myself to you. My name is Teodora Hebanya. My friends call me Nenet. By profession, I'm a certified public accountant and also an information technology practitioner. I use those skills in my 44 years experience in the corporate world, handling different positions in accounting and also management positions. I'm an active church leader and a trusted Sun Life financial advisor. My Sun Life journey started after my retirement. With our continued training in Sun Life, I'm now a certified wealth planner, a certified estate planner of the Philippines, and a certified advisor for life. For awards, I'm a consistent medallion awardee, a Macaulay awardee 3 years in a row starting my first year 2020, and recently a very prestigious Limra International Quality Award last January 2023. Ito po yung mga different awards and recognitions na I mentioned earlier and I posted so that my clients would know that I'm really working hard to give them the best service and to bring the good news of insurance to more people. I am serving more than 100 clients in Sun Life and here some of them, sila po yung mga may permission na i-post yung kanilang picture sa FB. So they came from different walks of life. Like Michael is from Canada. When they visited recently, ikinuha siya ng mami niya ng coverage para sa kanyang investment for education. So marami po akong clients na ganon na Filipinos working or residing abroad. Pag umuwi dito kumukuha ng insurance nila. Kasi they know that Sun Life is covering global protection. Marami din po tayo na yung mga nagtatrabaho sa abroad, ang ini-insure naman nila yung mga loved ones nila dito sa Philippines. Pero ang nagbabayad yun nasa abroad. So, pwede po yun. Marami din tayong mga employees and call center agents like kay Lontok na mga bata pa knows where to put their money wisely. Marami din na talagang pamilya mula magulang hanggang anak naka-insured for their peace of mind. And hindi lang po ito para sa mga businessman at malalaki ang pera. Yung mga katulad po ng mga maid na sapat yung kita pero alam nila kung paano mag-save for their family. So meron po tayong mga house helpers, tricycle driver, truck drivers, grab drivers na naka-insured. So ang insurance is for all. Ang kailangan lang po natin is proper mindset para makapag-save for the family. Getting Sun Life insurance is easy now. We could do an online meetup or we could do a face-to-face meetup. So, lahat naman ng tao ngayon, alam ang messenger call and pwede din po Zoom. Kami po, we walk the talk. So, buong pamilya ko naka-insured talaga sa Sun Life and we have different coverage like yung Sun Maxi Prime para yan sa mga future funds and retirement namin. So, buong pamilya namin meron yan. We also have the Sun Maxi 100 as added funds for life events. So, in the future, kung may gusto silang bilhin or gusto nilang mag-travel abroad, yan po yung pondo nila. We know the importance of medical insurance, so everybody has Sun Fit and Well. And sa aking nag-iisang apo, may Sun Smarter 10 po siya para sa kanyang education and yung pension for life niya until age 100. And for me, I have Sun Flexi Link 2 para sa estate tax. Mabuti na po yung nakahanda tayo para dun sa mga estate taxes na babayaran natin. Now, sabi nga dun sa Bible, sa Ecclesiastes 11:2, divide your portion to 7 or even to 8, for you do not know what misfortune may occur on the earth. So, meaning, iba-ibang basket po natin ilalagay yung mga investment natin. Life is really unpredictable and we do not know kung kailan talaga tayo kukunin ni Lord. So, this is only a 3-month Sun Life plan. FB page lang niya nakita yung Sun Life advertisement and he got 2 policies. Yung isa, November 10 na approve, yung isa, December 2021. Ang total niya na bayad dun sa 2 policies niya is 7,477.55 lang. So, ang nangyari, nabagok siya. 40 years old ito, nabagok siya, nagkaroon ng brain herniation syndrome, na comatose hanggang mamatay. So, ito lang po yung nabayad niya, 7,477.55. Ang total na na-receive ng kanyang beneficiaries, 753,264.18. Medyo nagtagal ang pag-release ng claims nito kasi po meron tayong 2 years contestability period sa Sun Life. Meaning, before 2 years mula nung kinuha mo, iimbestigahan talaga ng Sun Life kung walang anomalya na nangyari. Meaning, wala kang tinagong sakit, or talaga bang honestly sinagot mo lahat yung sa application mo. So, ito naman po, wala silang nakita anomalya. Kaya, ito ay a promise of secured life fulfilled through Sun Life. Walang makakapagbigay sa iyo ng 753,000 na basta-basta pag namatay ka kasi mga kamag-anak baka 5,000, 10,000 lang. Pero ang Sun Life po, kahit sa FB page lang tayo magkita at kumuha ka ng insurance, pag may nangyari sa iyo, kayang-kaya ka namin bigyan ng 753,000 through Sun Life. Here is another claim story within the contestability period. It was only a 6-month Sun Life plan nang mamatay yung ating insured of heart attack. So, she was a teacher who never knew that her life will end soon. Yung husband nitong teacher again sa insurance, so si teacher kumuha without the knowledge of the husband. Nung magka-heart attack siya, na ICU siya, and they have more than 200,000 bills sa hospital na hindi mabayaran. So, very thankful ang husband na meron talaga insurance, so they got a means to pay the hospital at may naiwan pa dun sa dalawang anak. This claim was made for a business owner. His plan is already existing for 7 years when he died at the age of 47. He paid 700,000 premium yearly, a total of 4.9 million in 7 years, but he was able to claim a total amount of 22,984.57 pesos and 63 centavos. You could just imagine how big the difference this amount will be for the family. They were able to hit the goal of doubling their business value through insurance. This is the legacy of life insurance, and let me just read it to you. I have this friend who just passed away. I was there in their house when a financial advisor of Sun Life arrived with a check worth 3 million. My friend's wife was so surprised because finally, all the burden they have has been resolved, and they have felt the love of my friend through the funds that they got from Sun Life. Now, she's starting a burger business with 4 branches, and she can continuously send her 2 kids in a university. That's why now I invested to Sun Life and realized that BUL is not just an investment, but the main goal of the said product is to protect you and your dreams from dying with you, because there's a lot of uncertainty in life, and I want to make sure that my loved ones' future is secure even if I'm not with them anymore. A true meaning of love beyond lifetime. Alam mo yun, yung kahit wala ka na, you still were able to protect the future of your loved ones through Sun Life. Let's talk about Sun Life. Sun Life has a total number of 20,000 financial advisors, 84 branches, and 100 offices nationwide, and we are still growing in the Philippines. If you want stability, you want to go with the oldest and the largest company. And Sun Life is the oldest insurance company in the Philippines. It is existing for 127 years now in the country, and in Canada, where it originates, it is now 157 years. We also are the number 1 life insurance company for 10 consecutive years now. With Sun Life, you are sure you are with the best. After hearing who we are and knowing the importance of insurance, you could follow these steps if you want to also protect your family. Number 1, you do an online appointment, and we could do Zoom or Google Meet. Number 2, you fill out the application digitally, or we could send and get all information through email. Number 3, pay the first quarterly payment through the bank or through PayMaya or GCash. And 4, once it is approved, we could send to you the paper contract in your preferred address. It is very convenient and easy to get insurance now. Payment through GCash is also easy. Use pay bills and just select Sun Life of Canada. You could do online payment through the bank, and we are using Metrobank, BDO, BPI, or Security Bank. Or you could visit the bank and do the over-the-counter payment. That ends my introduction. If you have any questions or clarifications, kindly send me a message. Here is my name card for your reference. If you learned something from my presentation, I would appreciate if you could send the link or forward it to a friend. Please watch my other videos.